Hi, alright, Brenda here, and today, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about Cellxrenewal before you buy it. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you need to know about Cellxrenewal is, be careful about the website where you are going to buy it, because Cellxrenewal is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the official website link below in the description of this video. So what is Cellxrenewal? Does it really work? And the answer is yes, Cellxrenewal works. Now it is finally possible to bring back the health, energy, beauty and confidence you had in your youth. This brand new program has already been tested by thousands of beta users and the feedback has been excellent. It even contains nutrient-rich ingredients that can strengthen your immune system, boost your metabolism, provide youthful energy throughout the day, improve mental clarity and concentration, and more. It contains no artificial ingredients, is GMO-free, soy-free, gluten-free, vegetarian, and made in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that is fully compliant with GMP safety standards. Of course, the results have been proven many times over. There is no doubt that this is a very effective way to keep your strength, energy, and still have a sexy body in your golden years. You will notice a leap in your step, you will be happier. The little nagging aches and pains you have experienced over the years will disappear, or perhaps disappear completely. Improve brain function, increase energy and feel younger. So yes, you can trust this product. There are already many people getting great results with Cellxrenewal, and you can get results. However, you have to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I say this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can test Cellxrenewal for 365 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like them for any reason, they will refund your money. Also, for Cellxrenewal to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Simply put, Cellxrenewal, now you have a protective barrier around each cell to keep unwanted intruders from entering, and a natural chemical bond to allow the cell to optimally create sustained energy. This energy mineral breakthrough is the creation of one of the most important, but little known, men in anti-aging science. But most of all, their energy levels skyrocketed, improving their quality of life and long-term well-being. The name of this energy mineral is a mouthful. It is called calcium 2-aminoethyl phosphate, but you can call it Ca2AEP for short. But I should warn you that Ca2AEP is nothing like the calcium you find in milk or yogurt. Ca2AEP, also known as the energy mineral, is a vital component in the structure of all cells in the human body. Dr. Nieper has proven that Ca2AEP can fuse with cell membranes to protect cell structure and maintain the biological order that cells need for optimal energy to keep cells active and healthy. That's why I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the website where you go to buy Cellxrenewal. If you buy the product, remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that the product will help improve your life, and many other benefits that Cellxrenewal promotes.